Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm doing another Plan With Me January because I really like create new content for you guys. So here I'm using my brush pen. I used the black brush pen and I wrote January, and with the pink brush pen I did some shadows around the written January. And here I'm using the Faber-Castell pen and I'm simple redrawing. I suggest you guys to do the drawing with a pencil and then use the black pen to do the ink part. In this way, if you make some mistakes, you can always use your eraser and redraw it again. Here I'm simply drawing some doodles, rose doodles, and I also wanted to do little calendar. To make the drawing more realistic, I'm adding some little lines in the roses, so they give more depth to the drawing. And for my monthly log, this time I choose to do the goals list and my to-do list, and here I'm simply drawing some lines and the dots. So I start my weekly spread with the written week 1, and this time I use a vertical spread, a vertical setup for my bullet journal, where I wrote the initial of each day of the week, and then I added the notes box, and here again I'm drawing 2 roses, using the same process for the previous. I'm coloring the doodles with the Stabilo pen 68. If you like this type of video where I show you different monthly log or weekly log, just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure to follow me on my social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Tumblr. Every link is down below in the info box. And here I'm using the white gel pen to give more highlight to the written. And for the weekly setup, I decided to maintain the same style that I used for the monthly log. I'm coloring the 2 roses with a pink marker pen, but I'm not coloring all the roses, I'm just doing some simple lines. And here I'm using the brush pen, the red brush pen Isigo, and again I'm coloring, just doing some lines, and I do the same with the lips. I'm doing this because the blank space give a highlight to the drawings. In the last step I used the black Stabilo pen 68, I contoured the roses so they look like more stickers. If you're looking for other bullet journal videos, I suggest you to check out the other contents on my channel, and if you learn something from this video or if you find it very useful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Bye guys!